Hello class, as you can see I'm not here today. We've got a reliever. I thought I'd make a video to show you what you're going to do today. We're going to start our next achievement standard. Your reliever will be handing out this. Okay, this is your portfolio just like your other achievement standard. Make sure you write your name and of course put mine, just put MUN there for my name. You'll be filling this out. Okay, you're going to use this textbook to find the answers, and as the piece of paper tells you, you'll find all the answers on pages 74 to 77. But before you get started, I thought I'd give you a little bit of information on the collision theory, because this is an important part of what you're going to be learning over the next couple of weeks. Alright, so let's get started. Listen carefully and be good to your reliever. Alright, to start off with, we've got the kinetic molecular theory. There are 4 parts to this theory. The first part is that all matter is made up of tiny particles. Alright. Second point, there are spaces between these particles. I would suggest you write some of this down. 3, the particles are in constant motion. And 4, the higher the temperature, the faster the particles moved. Okay, so I suggest to that we pause the video here so you can write all this down. Alright, next, the collision theory. Again, I'd like you to write this down. In order for a reaction to occur, 2 or more reactant particles must collide with enough energy and at the correct orientation. Alright, so pause again and write this down. Alright, now that you've written that down, I'll show you some animation. You don't have to write this down or draw it. I'll just show you some examples. Alright, the collision theory. If the particles are moving too slowly, the reaction's not going to happen. So here we've got molecules A and B. They travel along slowly. They bump into each other, but nothing happens. Okay? So that's an example of particles moving too slowly, and then you have no reaction. Sometimes you can have the particles in the wrong position, and if they're in the wrong position, there's not going to be a reaction. Alright, here we have molecules A and B again. They move towards each other, bang, no reaction because they weren't orientated quite right. Next, we have 2 particles that are moving fast enough and in the correct position. We use A and B molecules again, and you'll see that they're moving faster this time. They're orientated properly. Here we go, boom. Now we've got 2 new molecules and a reaction has happened. Okay, so that's the basis of the collision theory. Over the next 2 weeks you're going to be learning more about the collision theory. Okay, and you're going to find out what makes reactions happen faster. This is just the beginning. So now I want you to get a New Directions in Science textbook and start doing the questions in your portfolio. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.